I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 20 of English. And the name of the chapter is The Simple Tense. So, इस चैप्टर में हम लोग सिंपल टेंस के बारे में बात करेंगे, राइट? रवि वॉज पासिंग थ्रू द डेंस फॉरेस्ट. अब यहाँ पर हमें एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है. Let us read the paragraph and simply identify that what they are trying to explain us. He had been traveling all alone. Suddenly, a terrible creature appeared before him. He turned and ran for his life. He heard the creature behind him. It was screaming. He had been running for some time when he came to a stop. A deep river lay in front of him. He didn't know that to do. Then he remembered something. He had kept a knife in his bag. He put his hand into the bag to get the knife. It wasn't there. Meanwhile, the creature was approaching him fast. He didn't want to die. He let out a terrible cry. His eyes were open now. It took him some time to realize that he was dreaming. He thanked God that it was only a dream. Right? So what they're saying is now that rewrite the following as complete sentences. अब हमें इन sentences को complete sentences में convert करना है. What they're saying is I see a movie last Sunday. So we will simply remove the slashes and we are going to make the sentence that I saw a movie last Sunday, right? Next is he go abroad in 2030. When you buy this new dress, you attend the class last week. She not go out last evening. So, the simple past tense is formed with the past form of the verb. We use this tense to express a past event, often with adverbs or adverb phrases of the past, right? So simple past tense जो है वो हम बनाते हैं with the past form of the verb, past form verb का use करके. We use this tense to express a past event. हम इसे use करते हैं ताकि हम past का एक event express कर सके. Often with adverbs or adverb phrases of the past और कभी-कभी adverbs या फिर adverb phrases of the past के साथ भी हम इसे use करते हैं. Examples: Ravi had a dream last night. The negative and question is formed with did as the auxiliary verb. In negative और जो questions होते हैं उनमें हम use करते हैं did as the auxiliary verb, right? So examples हैं I didn't have a dream last night. What did he dream of? Right? उसी के बाद next आता है the past continuous is formed with was or were followed by the present participle. अब जो past continuous है वो बनाया जाता है was और were को use करके जो कि follow किया जाता है by a present participle. तो examples हैं I, he, she, it, singular nouns with was plus present participle. Same goes with this. You, we, they, plural noun with were plus present participle. Right? Moving ahead, let's have a look on the examples. Ravi was passing through a dense forest. Right? उसी के बाद they were walking along the road. Was he waiting for you? What were you doing last week? Right? All these are the examples. Next comes the past continuous is used in combination with the simple past to show that a new action happened in the middle of an ongoing action in the past. कि past combination जो सॉरी पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस जो है वो यूज किया जाता है कॉम्बिनेशन में, जो कि सिंपल पास्ट और न्यू एक्शन दोनों को ही दिखाने के लिए किया जाता है in the middle of an ongoing action in the past, right? So the examples are: the light went out when I was reading. I was reading when the light went out. You may also put the subordinate clause first, कि हम subordinate clause को भी पहले use कर सकते हैं. कैसे? While I was reading, the light went out. Or while the light went out, I was reading. Right? Next is, we use this tense to say and that an action took place before a certain moment in the past. So examples हैं, Ravi remembered something. He had kept the knife in his bag. So, when two actions happened in the past, जब दो actions एक साथ हुए हो past में, it is often necessary to show which happened first or earlier. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैंडेटरी होता है कि हम बताएं कि पहले कौन सा एक्शन परफॉर्म किया गया था, राइट? देन वी यूज द पास्ट परफेक्ट और द फॉर द एक्शन दैट हैपेंड अर्लियर, ताकि हम उसी एक्शन के साथ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करें जो कि पहले हुआ था, राइट? एंड द सिंपल पास्ट इज यूज्ड इन वन क्लॉज एंड द पास्ट परफेक्ट इन द अदर. और सिंपल पास्ट यूज किया होता है पहले क्लॉज में और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज होता है दूसरे में. वी मे कंबाइन द टू एक्शंस यूजिंग व्हेन, बिफोर और अदर, कि हम इन दो एक्शंस को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं. कैसे? बाय यूजिंग द वर्ड्स व्हेन, बिफोर या फिर अदर. एग्जाम्पल्स हमें दिए हुए हैं. व्हेन आई रीच स्कूल, classes had already begun. I reached school after the classes had begun. The classes had begun before I reached the school. Right? Next, the past perfect continuous tense is formed with had been followed by the present participle. कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस जो है वो बनाया जाता है had been को फॉलो करके by the present participle. Examples: subject plus had been plus present participle. Right? उसी के बाद we use this tense to say that an action that began before a certain point of time in the past continued up to that time. इससे हम ये दिखा सकते हैं कि जब भी हम कोई एक्शन कर रहे थे जो कि खत्म हो चुका है एक सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे, राइट? या फिर वो पास्ट में ही कंटिन्यू किया जा रहा था, राइट? एग्जांपल्स आर: he had been traveling all alone. After that, at that time, she had been writing a novel for 2 months. When I joined the school, Jaya had been reading here for 3 years. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.